Did you know that generative AI market size could reach $100 billion by 2025 and several trillion dollars in the upcoming years? Yes, trillion dollar. Hey there, this is Subrat and welcome to Subrat AI. I know you have been hearing buzzwords like generative AI and feeling a bit confused or just wondering what's that and all. If that's the case, then you are in the right place. Get ready because in this video we are breaking down exactly what is generative AI is and why it's blowing people's minds. But before that, if you are new to this channel, then please like and subscribe this channel for more AI breakdowns and learning. Let's get started. Basically, think of generative AI as super smart computer programs that can create things. It's like having a creative brainstorming friend that always ready to work at your instructions. And the best part is you do not need to be a technical person to use it. For example, it can write stories for you, create awesome pictures, writing code for you, etc. Basically, it's an AI program that's specifically programmed to create and generate something. Does not matter whether it's same or something new. Let's say you want to write a poem or an email or even a whole movie script. These AI programs are amazing at writing. Example, ChatGPT. You can simply go over there and write few prompts to get your desired results. Now let's you want to draw something, like you have some ideas on your mind and you want to draw that idea without pen and paper. For example, you want to paint a sunflower field at sunset or a robot cat. You just need to go to the tools like Midjourney or Dolly and simple type your prompt. Bam, here is your image instantly within some seconds. Similarly, there are AI for writing code, making music, etc. The possibilities are endless. But how does it work? It's very simple. Let's understand it without getting too technical. So as we are humans, we always learn anything by doing and seeing things, right? Similarly, these AI programs have been trained on tons of data and informations. They have read all the books that exist in our world, seen all the pictures, understood all the codes, etc. It's like they have been trained on every piece of data that exists in the world. But the interesting part is from all the data, they can learn patterns and start understanding how to create new things that are super creative. So how it's gonna help you? It can help you to get more creative, means you can unleash your inner artist. If you want to create a logo or some website text or social media ideas and many more. It can help you save tons of time by automating those boring tasks like writing routine emails. You can also ask questions and brainstorm ideas. Basically, it can help you with many tasks that we need to do in our everyday work lives. That's why ChatGPT like tools are getting popular day by day and adopted by everyone. It's not just about doing cool things, but it's changing how we work, create, and even think about the world. No matter which profession you are in, you have to have learned this generative AI. And do not forget to like and subscribe because I am going to bring a lot of AI stuff for non-technical person in this channel. If you have any question, drop them in the comments, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.